working on getting everything cleaned up and finished now. I've still got to do the upper parts by the fender, so I'm gonna tape everything off and spend a little bit more time up there, but pretty much got everything how I wanted it. The wires going through, running along the upper part of the fender. Got my vacuum block, so everything will be clean there. Finishing up this back corner, just got to put some Teflon tape on the brake fittings. Hopefully no leaks or anything. I'm gonna test it before I put the motor in, but ran the hoses for the headlights on the inner fender, and then the wiring harness for the headlights and turn signals as well. So it is looking much better. So just got to finish a little bit on the underneath, right down here and here. Gonna try to get a small wire wheel just to get in all the gaps, and then I gotta fix some leaking power steering hoses, and then it should be pretty much done. It's looking way better, so I'm glad I spent the time on it. Still debating if I want to do a cover from the bottom up and then angle it in, but I'm worried about how much it's going to stick out. It doesn't look too bad, considering how many wires that I'm actually running here between the electric fans, the MSD, the connections for the boost controller, and then I have different wires and fuses going on the inside. That's why I have so many going back here and then up top, and then because I have my battery located in the back, I have it running forward, and then for the starter, so once I have the motor in, I'll have this running along the pan. Got a couple brackets that were on the motor already, so it'll keep it out of the way of the headers, and got a few things coming today so I can plug up these holes, and for the clutch braided hoses, I got some high temp, what's it called? It's basically a wrap that goes around it. So, because I noticed part of it was a little bit dark from where it had touched against the header. There's not too much room, so give it a little bit more protection so it doesn't boil the fluid or anything, but definitely happy with it.